Hey guys, Sihle here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you guys are well, safe, staying at home. I am back with another video, guys. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, please do. If you're coming back, in Kosini, Bitunana for coming back and for your love and support. For today's video, I'll be doing the numbers pick my shadows or makeup challenge. I saw this a while ago on Instagram and recently just saw it on Mihlal's channel. The palette I'll be using today, it's this one. It has 8 shades. It's a mixture of everything. So yeah, I'll be using this palette today and the numbers are in this box. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous for this challenge, but I'm just gonna push myself and challenge my creativity. Let me just go ahead and pick 5 numbers. Okay. The first number, it's what? Let me see. It's number 63. And then the second one, that's it's 13. Third, it's number, let me see. Oh, it's 27. Okay. The fourth one, it's number 48. And the last number is number 25. So let me go ahead, write the numbers down and see which shades I've picked and also plan a look. So sit back and enjoy Sihle's creations.